this is Kashi. Welcome back to my channel Kashi Home Decor Idea. After a long time, we are back with this bottle art. I hope you all missed me. Then let's start today's tutorial with this bottle. As usual, the base of the bottle has to be prepared as shown in the video. In today's bottle art, we have used waste material. We have collected only the waste item from home along with the shapes made from silicone molds. The material used is given in the subtitle of the video. Here the base of the bottle is almost ready. Now here we will use hot glue gun to stick it. We will stick an old zip on the bottle. We have to work with hot glue gun carefully. Avoid touching hot glue with your hands. You can stick it in any shape as per your creativity. The zip work is almost completely done. Now let us use molds of different designs. We will stick all the designs made of clay with white glue. Here we have taken the old purse bag. We will stick this belt on the sides of the bottle. This will give a bold look to the bottle. We will use the zip again on the base of the bottle. This is a piece of our old broken headphones. To cover the top of the bottle, we will again use the zip. Here we have used fruit net to give texture. I have taken out this chain from my old purse. This chain is metallic, so we will stick it with E6000 glue. It takes a little time to stick, so it takes a little effort. Here we will use a chain made of clay, and we will use many shapes and designs made from molds. You can stick any other designs on the bottle as shown in the video. Here we have made many designs with own hands also. You can also use your creativity. I hope you will be able to create a very unique bottle with your creativity. You can mail me handmade bottle pics. I will include your bottle pics in my upcoming videos. So please mail me. My mail ID is kashihomedecoridea@gmail.com. Sticking work on the bottle is almost complete. Now we will paint the entire bottle with the black acrylic color. And leave it to dry completely. Here we have taken copper metallic color and we will use it using the technique of dry brush method. The dry brush work is almost done. And this is a final look. I hope you like the work done on the bottle. like my work, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. So see you in our next video. Till then, bye bye.